Yo, what's good YouTube? It's Boardsy, and in this video I'm going to be doing a review of the HK Gaming Miami Pudding keycaps. I don't fucking know. They're the HK Gaming keycaps in the Miami edition, but they're also pudding keycaps. So not only do they look sick, they're also like fucking insanely nice with the RGB. And a big thing for me when I'm buying keycaps, like I don't want it to ruin the feel. Like the HyperX pudding keycaps are awful, but these actually have it feel and sound the exact same. The stabilizers are kind of shitty, but like that's expected. But it basically sounds and feels the exact same, if not better, and it's super dope. Like it looks so nice. I've been waiting to do a setup reveal until I fucking got these because now my setup is actually alpha. I can't improve my desk or else like that's the last thing I could do. Like the Shittenkai matches the fucking pink, which matches the bungee, and even the Razer Viper Mini's RGB is pink right now. Like wow, synchronized epic setup. And they also come in a bag. Like I could fucking bring weed to school in this bag. This is one of the best bags I've ever seen. I would pay however much it was, like 15-20 bucks for this bag alone. And yeah, I can't really do too much of a review. Like you can look at them. They're pretty nice keycaps. Like they're sort of a pastel color. My mom said that, and I have no clue what that means. And yeah, they retain the original feel, and this is on the Apex Pro. Plenty of people have said they've had trouble installing keycaps, and these ones installed perfectly fine. And yeah, the Apex Pro is legit my endgame keyboard now. Now that I have the Epic PBT bright light pastel keycaps, what more could a man want, really? And yeah, this is just my setup one last time. This is the Shittenkai. Holy fuck, mouse go vroom. I should actually show my other Artisan pads as well. I'm the king of Artisan Mousepads, unequivocally. Fuck, which one is this? I think this is the Raiden? No, it's the Hayate Atsu. Yeah, the Hayate Atsu. Wow, it's like it's amazing. Oh fuck, I accidentally just, like, did that with my phone. Yeah, that's one I got. That's the bird. This is the Zero. Fuck, is this the Raiden? Yeah, this is quote-unquote coffee brown, so that's the Raiden. And, this is the box for the Shittenkai. And of course, I have my Hein right here. So I have 5 out of the 7 Artisan mousepads, so I am just the self-proclaimed king of Artisan. So expect uploads, tons of mousepad reviews. I have to review the fucking Gigantus as well. I actually like the pad, but I just haven't been able to use it because I'm fucking overwhelmed with mousepads. What a problem to have. And I also have the HK Gaming Series M. And honestly, fuck it, I'm just gonna do this review right here. It is the exact same mousepad as the Thor. Like, there's not a single difference. It is a $12 version of the Thor that's available with Prime shipping. So if you want a Thor, watch my full review on that. When it's out of the box, it feels amazing. I'll bring it to my desk to review it. Fuck, is it down correctly? Don't really care. Yeah, so you can see it's pretty fast. Not as fast as the Shittenkai, but pretty fast, but it does have a coating that wears off in a few months, so beware of that. And I also started recording vertically at some point, don't know when. Sorry about that. But yeah, this coating's gonna wear off. It's super affected by humidity. The stitching's fine. Mine never laid perfectly flat. Whatever, though. If you're on an ultra budget, like $10 for a mousepad, this is probably gonna be your best option. As you can see, it's a very respectable size. Let's fucking do the dynamic and static friction. Static friction, virtually non-existent, very easy to initially move the mouse. Not a bit of resistance. When you start swiping, it is very smooth, silky smooth on your arms. Pretty squishy, not the squishiest though, and it sticks to your desk well enough. Overall, for a $12 mousepad, you can't really expect much more. And if I was like actually gonna main this, I would probably buy like 3 at a time, and then boom, that's like a year worth of the mousepad once the coating wears down. But yeah, it's been Boardsy. This was like the jankiest video I've done in a while. Peace.